Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to burn out a Ram 1500. Performing a burnout can be an exciting display of power, but it's crucial to prioritize safety and vehicle care. Always choose a private, open space, free from any obstacles or other people. Be aware that burnouts put significant stress on your tires and drivetrain components, potentially causing wear or damage. Always proceed with caution and responsibility. Before you begin, proper vehicle preparation is key for a successful and controlled burnout. First, lightly engage the parking brake. This helps to keep the front wheels stationary while allowing the rear wheels to spin. Next, it's absolutely essential to fully disable your truck's traction control and stability control systems. Finally, select a low gear or drive to ensure the engine delivers ample power to the rear wheels. Now for the action. With your left foot, firmly press the brake pedal, holding the truck steady. Simultaneously, with your right foot, gradually press the accelerator pedal. As the engine revs increase, you'll feel the power building. Once the rear tires start to break traction, slowly ease off the brake pedal just enough to allow the wheels to spin freely and create that impressive smoke. Once you've achieved your desired burnout, smoothly release both the accelerator and brake pedals to bring the spinning to a halt. It's very important to immediately inspect your rear tires for any signs of excessive wear, flat spots, or damage. Burnouts generate a lot of heat, so allow your brakes and engine to cool down for several minutes before continuing your drive. Enjoy responsibly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.